Action, opioid addiction. Sponsored by New Concepts Behavioral Health Center.
Taking action against addiction. One local behavioral health agency is on the front lines fighting to end the opioid crisis. New Concepts counselors are working to save one life at a time. Tonight, one of their social workers is sharing her own personal story. Here's 13 Action News reporter Alexis Means.
New Concepts Clinical Chief Officer Jackie Caro sits at her desk going over treatment plans for some of her clients. There are uplifting messages on the walls to motivate anyone who walks in her office and a picture of the love of her life on her desk. Caro and her husband understand addiction firsthand.
He has 14 years of recovery from opiates himself. He was recovered before we met, but the journey continues throughout your lifetime.
They've been married 8 years.
This is a biological disease. It is in your genetic makeup. It doesn't necessarily go away when you stop using. There are different things you have to do throughout your life to keep that part of your biology in check and redirect some of those thoughts and behaviors so you aren't using and ultimately stay alive.
New Concepts is on the front lines fighting the opioid addiction in the city of Toledo, an addiction that doesn't discriminate. Caro says the epidemic is fueled by prescription drug abuse, among other illegal drugs.
You're talking about prescription medications, for one. You're also talking about heroin. You are talking about fentanyl, which is a prescription medication, but it is finding itself in so many things.
There is a positive. Lucas County has seen a dip in overdose deaths. In 2023, Lucas County had 309 overdose fatalities. The number dropped to 223 in 2024.
These overdoses and fentanyl is not just in heroin. We're seeing it in marijuana, in cocaine, in methamphetamine. So it's getting there. It's getting there. And it kills people quickly and tragically.
Caro says those battling opioid addiction, recovery isn't easy and is tough on families. But she says every therapy session and step forward are reminders that you can make it.
There's hope and it's possible. You know, I live it every day.
In Toledo, Alexis Means, 13 Action News.